Want to turn an ordinary tumbler into a personalized masterpiece? Stick around and discover how to easily engrave your own custom designs using the XTool F1 laser engraver. Let's get started. For this project, you will need your tumbler, LA's awesome cleaner, magic eraser, your XTool F1 laser engraver, and the XTool RA2 Pro. The settings we're using today should work for most tumblers regardless of color. In my experience, stubborn colors like white and blue may occasionally require the DPI and dot duration to be adjusted slightly to ensure a clean engraving. Are there other colors or tumbler styles that give you a hard time? Leave a comment below and let me know so the community that we are building can help out. Now let's talk dollars and cents. Tumblers are currently the easiest item to get started with selling in your niche, as they make the perfect gift and secure orders in large quantities. The profit margin you typically make from selling engraved tumblers will quickly pay for your laser engraver. My F1 and D1 were paid off within 90 days of owning them from just one order. The key is to target clients that need bulk orders, such as farmers markets, weddings, schools, local businesses, holiday gifts, etc. Now, let's get started. First, let's set up our RA2 Pro. For this project, we will be using the chuck setup. You need to make sure the teeth of the chuck are inverted so that they will fit in the opening of your cup. This will ensure your F1 will have the full engraving area of your cup. You will also need to ensure that your rotary is weighted down so it doesn't move while engraving, as this could mess up your design. For my janky setup, I am simply using an old decanter, but anything with enough weight to keep it still should do. Log into XCS and add your file. Change your settings from base plate to use rotary attachment. Select chuck and then add your diameter or perimeter based on your own measurements. For most 20-ounce cups and mugs, I use a 3-inch diameter measurement. Use the knob on the F1 to line up your red and blue dots. Then click on the framing button and ensure your design is spaced and centered to your liking. Now that we have everything framed and ready to go, we are going to use the blue light setting. With the Jarvis bitmap setting, dot duration of 400, 100% power, 500 DPI, and we are going to leave it set to one pass. Process and start engraving. For the best deals on quality blanks, XTool lasers, and accessories, check the links in the description below. With your cup now engraved, you can choose to stop here and clean with your preferred cleaner and the magic eraser. Or you can run another pass like I'm doing with the exact same settings, but on this pass, change the settings from blue light to infrared. And there you have it. Your custom engraved tumbler is ready to sell, use, or simply photograph and tag people like the AI laser guy, so I can marvel at the awesome projects you create. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Keep engraving smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching.